54. Cognition of the truth brings liberation from all restrictions. 55. It brings boundless knowledge and wisdom. 56. Wisdom is a powerful means to recognize the laws of creation. 57. A human who is filled with love is also rich in wisdom, and a human who is rich in wisdom is also full of love. 58. However, the human cheats himself because he does not know love. 59. He interprets grasping feelings and sentiments as love, while, to him, real love remains strange and not understood. 60. A human is a human only if he has recognized truth, knowledge and wisdom, even if he never used the word creation, because wisdom is also love in its best form. 61. Thus, the human always finds that enlightenment and recognition are knowledge and also wisdom and love, and where love rules, there rules wisdom, too. 62. Love and wisdom belong together, because creation and its laws are love and wisdom at the same time. 63. Where there is wisdom and knowledge, there is love and cognition, and where there is cognition and love, there is creation. 64. Growth within love and wisdom teach the human to recognize creation. 65. First, however, the human learns the truth, and thereby he will gain freedom and peace, a peace which is imperishable, a power without an end. 66. Wisdom and love both are two stimulating wings of the creative essence and character. 67. With wisdom and love, the human is master over all creation. 68. Wisdom and love increase his dedication for the fulfillment of the given creative natural laws, because spirit and creation are one. 69. The earth human speaks of love that he does not know. 70. He believes to know that his sentiments are love and, through this, he deceives himself. 71. Love cannot be clothed in words, because it is, just as luck, a state and not a place. 72. Love is imperishable, and nothing is able to change it into something else. 73. The path of the spirit force leads over cognition of truth, knowledge, wisdom, and love. 74. The sense and function of the spiritual teachings are to spread truth, knowledge, wisdom, and love. 75. If this fails, it is not a help anymore but an evil cult which, through false teachings, enslaves the spirit and produces ignorance, as it is the case with the religion's false teachings. 76. If it pursues the function of expanding the spiritual knowledge, then it is a powerful instrument of the creative order. 477. The spiritual teachings deal with the spreading of cognition, truth, knowledge, wisdom, and love, with what is eternal, immortal, and imperishable, what overcomes death and spreads light, what embodies within itself the balance of wisdom and love, and they deal with the peace that surpasses all understanding. 78. Each human believes to know what is meant by peace, in the manner that he knows it according to human experience. 79. But to understand the wise peace of the endless existence, the spirit, the immortal creation, surpasses his human understanding. 80. The reason for this is that he is a prisoner of religious false teachings and human material things that withhold from him an understanding for inner experience. 81. The experience that forms the true key for true cognition and wisdom. 82. The kingdom of the spirit holds wonders over wonders. 83. The visible universe with which the human deals is but a tiny spot within this wonderful, endless, spiritual intelligence of creation. 84. Countless billion universes like this are held within the endless spiritual intelligence of creation. 85. What is visible to the human's physical eyes is but a tiny iota within endlessness. 86. What he cannot see with his eyes is immeasurable, inconceivable and unthinkable. It is confusing and unimaginable for his unspiritual human intelligence and mental capacity. 87. The entire universe which he sees is but one of many rooms and must be counted as myriads, because there are universes within universes, universes beyond universes, universes under universes, universes above universes and universes out of the universes within the mighty, colossal and all creative spiritual intelligence of the creation's existence. 88. And the human is connected with this mighty spirit, with these elemental powers of existence, creation, spiritual intelligence, because a fragment of this spirit intelligence creation wells within, and enlivens, the human as spirit. 89. It's the spirit's power, its joy, its peace, its freedom, its wisdom, its knowledge, and its ability are unimaginable for people that are spiritually ignorant, illogical, for critics and know-it-alls, for those dependent on religions, for degenerated ones and other persons that have been led astray. 90. And only a human who knows this truth and produces knowledge and wisdom and love from it is a blessed human. 91. He knows the answer to the last questions of science, of philosophy, and also of the wondering human. 92. But in order to become such a blessed human it is required to search for and find the truth, to gain knowledge, wisdom, and love from it. For the human is only able to spiritually grow in truth, knowledge, wisdom, and love, whereby he will be freed from all human frailties. 93. The human is enlightened and fully freed only if he in his thoughts incessantly and constantly dwells in the endless creative spiritual reality. 94. The spiritual intelligence is enlightened by lawful spiritual principles, and directed towards the creative being, the perfection and the power of what is creative itself. 95. This in contrast to the human intelligence, because the human consciousness generally only deals with single things of the material world. 96. As a consequence, the human is restricted and handicapped in every direction. He even gets captured, suppressed, plagued and tortured by all possible forms of misfortune, frailties and enslavement. 97. Therefore, a human's individual self-analysis is one of the essential methods to find the truth and to walk on the path of spiritual evolution. 598. Therefore, it is necessary that the human constantly examines his thoughts and may see of what kind they are. 99. He has to pay attention to the fact that, ultimately, he is always led, directed and determined by creative philosophical principles and realities, by creative natural laws. 100. Within the human, there should reign a continually conscious feeling of belonging to what is creative, with his essential spiritual breath, his essential spiritual being. 101. It shall be spiritually clear to him that his essential spiritual being is inseparably one with what is creative, in order that he may in this awareness overcome the material outer world. 102.